Mike Hughes here, and I'm with Dive Industry right now. And who might you be, sir?
I'm Gene Machansky from Dive Industry Association.
Perfect. You got that right. And
our booth is offering a free subscription to our weekly newsletter.
Okay,
that
and
reaches about 50,000 people, and it goes out every single Tuesday. And we also have a monthly newsletter that reaches the entire dive industry trade. You can sign up for the weekly, or you can sign up for the monthly newsletter.
Okay, and so we're at the Scuba and H2O Adventure show in Tacoma right now for these offers here, but they can go online and find out more information about it too.
Oh, absolutely. And you could go to www.diveindustry.net.
And why did they want to go there again?
Well, we have all the information about the dive industry.
Okay.
We break it down into regional areas like the Pacific Northwest. We did an awful lot of advertising for this show. We sent out discount coupons to everyone, and it was $5 off the admission price. And we do similar things for all the shows all around the country, whether it's Our World Underwater in Chicago, Beneath the Sea in Secaucus, Scuba Show in Long Beach, or some of the foreign shows in other countries. But we keep divers and wannabe divers interested on all of the aspects of the diving industry. So if you want to buy gear, you want to take lessons, you want to do some adventure travel, diveindustry.net is the place to go.
Okay, well that wraps it up. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mike.